Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Eric Haircut Professional. I hope you all are good and also you guys are enjoyed the previous videos. Today we like combination of layers and my client here something it will be little bit of fine and something little kind of delicate, and she was expected something makeover look with keep the same length, and she was seeing something different part of the layering. So this time I choose with something like combination of multi-layered haircut. The half of the front hair it will be going to be feather and rest of the remain back with something concave layers, and the top portion it will going to be like something like convex layers. And these are the combination which can be choose with something like multiple layering technique, and technically it will be going to something it end of the day was haircut completely change and outstanding look you may can going to see. Stay till end of the video to just get to know about exactly how was moving to the constructions, what was the techniques of used it, and what kind of angles and elevations was done in this layer haircut. And I hope you all are enjoying the previous video and must be expected with this video also it will be hopefully watch for till end, and you guys are enjoying this video too. And if you have any doubts or comments, please let me know on the comment below. I'll definitely love it for you. So however you see in the top portions got separate, fringe got separate, and box section got separate. Now ear to ear going to be separate finally, and just I'll came back with complete up to end back section. Now I'm help up to comb balls and explaining you as is. So now I started the back portions of the one length basic before start the haircut. Now I'm just going to be start layering. I pick center profile and lifting exactly 145 degree and just towards 140 and completely rest gradually adding the layers and rest of the remaining fallen down here and just converting it to be 120 degree and just 90 degree. It's something like multi. So this is one of the different techniques, and the previous haircuts might haven't seen these techniques on the previous any videos. So this is something which is going to be changed on a complete of the haircut and a session of the layering techniques and each and every point. Watch till the end, you'll just come to know exactly how was the haircut was completely done well. So every time I just keep consistently explaining you guys where you can just work with consistent way up to the sectioning, and sections are thin sections and consistently it will be holding back to the exactly elevations or layers and gripping. These are the major impact with something complete like a haircut can be comes out well. After that, mandatory to cross check after the layers. This will be basic method where you can just completely just making to the cross checking complete up to the haircut or like layering any other haircut you may can just done. Ensure you have to be checked after the layering properly, and probably that can be makes complete up neat and clean look with end of the day haircut. So client also won't be get hesitate, and they haven't also never have questions to be asked if such things got done with uneven. So That is the things what every time I'm just keeping myself to the keeping clean and neat in the haircut. So this side section also going to finish. That portion also just cross checking as well. After that I release side portion. I come to it exactly forward layering. Because the temple in area she has carried something a little bit weakened, or she wants something feather movements in the front portions also. That's the regards I just choose this haircut, something like different patterns. But I'm not reducing length anymore on this haircut. And after that converting in the back portion in the layer as well. After that I come on the other side. With that same thing like converting this side also layering. I got to release crown portion. Just I'm picking as the crown portion of the layering and just taking as like diagonal back and saving the top length and just converting the rest remain the layers. Even if I want, I can just take to the diagonal forward also. Why I choose the diagonal backward? Something she won't maintain the length and along with the layers. So that's the regard. I just pick with diagonal backward and rest of the remain hair also just pushing exactly center of the crown, and every layer I'm just pushing towards the center of the crown. After that I'm cross checking and another side too. Now I'm just going to release the fringe portion. Not to be too short and not to be too long. And before that I'm just ensuring and just giving a bit of to the hairline point to just chopping and taking as guideline for giving like fringe layers. So this is my cut was completely done, the wet look. I'm showing you dry look as well after that. So this is complete after the haircut is messy and dry, natural look. So my client was sufficiently having the layers and she was very much happy to, and ponytails also I'm explaining and showing her when she do that ponytail it will be looks exactly how it comes out. So she was very much convenient, and after that I gone to be styling on it. And same thing I'm following the spiral blow dry, and this is my one of the best technique for doing a blow dry for giving with the flowing up to the complete of more volume and bouncier look and flexible look, visible blushy and finishing look on end of the day. And it will be ultimately you finishing on the layering techniques. Each and every point of the scene can just make something changes on that. After that I come to side portion. I come to another side. I'm just going to be finished complete up the crown portion. It will be looking so bouncier finishing look, and of course after that I come to the last section. Now cut got going to be finished completely. This is my final look. I'm just releasing complete of the layering that's visible, very good and flexible. And you can just see from the front was looking awesome, bouncier and thickening look. This was end up results. It will be can make something multi-layered haircut. It will be flowing something like all layers was blending and face shape was visible completely oval and layer was carrying pretty much bouncier all the ways and all the sides. You can just see ultimately the bounciness is on the reach with complete of the hair, and she was pretty much excited to have look this, and she was very much happy to with complete after the transformation of haircut. That is the which is called something little bit of the techniques got changes in entire haircut. It will making something different patterns which can be given to make a transformation of the look. I hope you all are understand enjoyed the video, and this is complete of the final look and before the texture, and after that I'm just going to the texture adding with that complete make to the finishing look. So this is going to be finished end results which after the texturing, which can be any layer can visible neat and clean and flexible and last more than what we just got the haircut. For ensuring the texture, one of the part which can be visible clean and neat as well. So without the texture, this haircut is can't at all going to be finished. So remember guys, whenever you do the haircut, after that add the texture. That can be make something long lasting layer techniques. Either they are in styling also, the messy open look also look visible very well. And that is my intentions to be towards the client whoever done with the layering or whatever may done. The long lasting is very much important for any of haircut you may can use done. So either they done the styling as well, so look as visible very elegance and flowing as well. So this is my final look which can be going to be providing after texture. I hope you all have enjoyed the video and you guys all liked the video too. So fringe portion is going to be finished last section, and after that my cut will be completely finished. So this is my final look after the texture. Hope you all are enjoyed the video and understand too. If you have any doubts or questions, please let me know in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel. Please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon also. You will get every time updated notifications, and each and every time I just get fit for you something pretty much good and clean haircuts for as educational basis. And hope you all are enjoying and hope you all like the video also. This time I expected minimum 400 likes on this video. Please hit the like button after watching, and thanks for watching. We'll meet again. Until, take care and be safe.